Great day, companions. How are you? Today, we will discuss Hongqi H5. The Hongqi H5, a mid-size luxury sedan from China's iconic automaker Hongqi, represents a blend of modern technology, traditional luxury, and Chinese automotive heritage. With its origins rooted in the luxurious yet conservative designs of Hongqi's earlier models, the H5 is a fresh breath of innovation. In this video, we'll explore every facet of the Hongqi H5, diving into its design, performance, interior, technology, and overall impact on the automotive market. A legacy of prestige. Hongqi, translating to red flag in English, is a brand synonymous with prestige in China. Established in 1958, the brand was originally created to manufacture cars for Chinese government officials and dignitaries. Over the decades, Hongqi has been a symbol of national pride, reflecting the values and aspirations of China's upper echelons. The H5, while more accessible than its predecessors, retains this sense of grandeur, appealing to a broader market while maintaining its prestigious aura. Exterior design, a blend of tradition and modernity. The Hongqi H5's exterior is a statement in itself. The design language reflects a seamless blend of tradition and modernity, with the car's aesthetics playing a crucial role in defining its presence on the road. The front fascia is dominated by the brand's signature chrome grille, which draws inspiration from traditional Chinese architecture, giving the car a distinctive, authoritative look. Flanked by sharp LED headlights, the grille adds a sense of dynamism to the car's front end. The sleek lines and smooth curves of the H5 contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency, while also adding a touch of elegance. The side profile reveals a well-proportioned body with a long hood and a slightly sloping roofline, enhancing its premium appeal. The large multi-spoke alloy wheels and chrome accents further emphasize its luxurious character. At the rear, the design is clean and sophisticated, with LED taillights that wrap around the sides, providing a modern touch. Performance, power, and precision. Under the hood, the Hongqi H5 offers a range of engine options designed to cater to different driving preferences. The base model is equipped with a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering adequate power for daily commuting while maintaining fuel efficiency. For those seeking more performance, a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine is available, providing a more spirited driving experience with enhanced acceleration and responsiveness. The H5's suspension system is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease, making it an ideal choice for long-distance cruising. The handling is precise, thanks to the well-balanced chassis and advanced steering system. Whether navigating through city streets or cruising on the highway, the H5 delivers a smooth and controlled ride, emphasizing its luxury sedan credentials. Interior, a sanctuary of comfort. Step inside the Hongqi H5, and you're greeted by an interior that exudes luxury and sophistication. The cabin is meticulously crafted with high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and wood or metal accents, depending on the trim level. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from the stitching on the seats to the layout of the controls. The seating arrangement is designed to provide maximum comfort, with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The front seats are power adjustable, with heating and ventilation options available, ensuring a comfortable ride in any weather. The rear seats are equally spacious, making the H5 an excellent choice for those who prioritize passenger comfort. The dashboard is dominated by a large, high-resolution infotainment screen that integrates seamlessly with the car's digital instrument cluster. The system is intuitive, with easy-to-navigate menus and responsive touch controls. It supports the latest connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth, allowing occupants to stay connected on the go. The premium audio system delivers crisp, clear sound, enhancing the overall driving experience. Technology and safety, cutting-edge features. In line with its luxury status, the Hongqi H5 is equipped with a host of advanced technologies and safety features. The car's infotainment system is powered by the latest software, providing a seamless user experience. The touchscreen interface is user-friendly, with crisp graphics and fast response times. The system also includes voice recognition, allowing drivers to control various functions without taking their hands off the wheel. Safety is a top priority for Hongqi, and the H5 comes loaded with a comprehensive suite of safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The car also features a 360-degree camera system, providing a clear view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier and safer. The H5 is also equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, which provide an extra layer of protection by monitoring the road and alerting the driver to potential hazards. These systems work in conjunction with the car's passive safety features, such as airbags and reinforced body structure, to provide a safe and secure driving experience. Market positioning, a strategic move. The introduction of the Hongqi H5 marks a strategic move by the brand to enter the competitive mid-size luxury sedan market. Positioned as an affordable luxury option, the H5 aims to attract a younger, more dynamic customer base while still appealing to traditional luxury car buyers. Its competitive pricing, combined with its extensive list of features and the prestige associated with the Hongqi brand, makes it a strong contender in the market. The H5 competes with other mid-size luxury sedans such as the Audi A4, BMW 3 Series, and Mercedes-Benz C-Class. While it may not have the same brand recognition as its German rivals, the H5 offers a compelling value proposition, particularly in its home market of China. The car's blend of luxury, performance, and technology, coupled with its attractive pricing, makes it a formidable competitor in the segment. Sustainability, a step towards the future. In keeping with the global shift towards sustainability, Hongqi has also introduced a hybrid version of the H5. This model combines a traditional internal combustion engine with an electric motor, providing improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The hybrid system is designed to operate seamlessly, with the electric motor assisting the engine during acceleration and providing power during low-speed driving. The hybrid H5 also features regenerative braking, which captures energy during braking and uses it to recharge the battery. This technology not only improves efficiency, but also reduces wear on the braking system. The hybrid model offers a more environmentally friendly alternative for those who want to enjoy the luxury and performance of the H5 while minimizing their carbon footprint. Driving experience, a balance of comfort and control. The driving experience of the Hongqi H5 is characterized by a perfect balance of comfort and control. The car's suspension system, tuned for comfort, ensures that even the longest journeys are smooth and fatigue-free. Road imperfections are absorbed with ease, keeping the cabin quiet and serene. The steering is responsive, providing the driver with a good sense of connection to the road. Whether in urban environments or on open highways, the H5's handling is composed, instilling confidence in the driver. The turbocharged engine options deliver power smoothly, making acceleration brisk without compromising on fuel efficiency. Noise insulation in the H5 is exemplary, with minimal road and wind noise entering the cabin. This focus on quietness enhances the overall driving experience, making the H5 an excellent choice for those who value a peaceful driving environment. Challenges and opportunities. While the Hongqi H5 presents a strong value proposition, it also faces certain challenges in the global market. One of the primary challenges is brand recognition outside China. While Hongqi is a well-known and respected brand in its home country, it lacks the global presence of its German competitors. This could make it difficult for the H5 to gain traction in international markets, where brand loyalty and recognition play a significant role in consumer purchasing decisions. However, this challenge also presents an opportunity for Hongqi. By positioning the H5 as a luxury vehicle that offers exceptional value for money, the brand has the potential to attract a new segment of buyers who are looking for luxury and performance without the premium price tag associated with more established brands. Additionally, as the global market becomes more receptive to Chinese automotive brands, the H5 could serve as a stepping stone for Hongqi to expand its presence internationally. Conclusion: a symbol of modern Chinese luxury. The Hongqi H5 is more than just a car. It's a symbol of modern Chinese luxury and a reflection of the brand's evolution. With its elegant design, advanced technology, and luxurious interior, the H5 offers a compelling package that appeals to a wide range of buyers. It represents a significant step forward for Hongqi as it seeks to establish itself as a global player in the luxury automotive market. As Hongqi continues to innovate and expand its lineup, the H5 serves as a reminder of the brand's rich heritage and its commitment to delivering vehicles that combine tradition with modernity. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily driver, a stylish luxury sedan, or a statement of prestige, the Hongqi H5 delivers on all fronts. With its competitive pricing and extensive list of features, the H5 is poised to make a lasting impact on the mid-size luxury sedan market, both in China and beyond. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share your thoughts in the comments section. See you in the next video.